Hi, my name's Todd, and this is my dooryard. I've been all morning scrubbing and cleaning after doing some yesterday and a bunch more today. Wow, there's a lot going on here. I found a block drain right there that doesn't work. I guess unless, of course, that is I've already drained everything out of the block accidentally. Oh, regardless, I got a list of gaskets and seals and parts and pieces that are gonna go back on this before it gets reloaded. Let's see, I'll go through them real quick with you just so that we're all on the same page. All right. Base gasket, front cover gasket, front seal, timing set, valve cover gaskets, both sides. We're going to paint it Ford blue, Ford gold, Ford gold, Ford gold. Look at where you're pointing, Todd. We're going to use a new O-ring in the distributor. We're going to get 4 new exhaust studs because we had 2 different studs here. Notice coarse thread, if it'll focus on it. Coarse thread. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Fine thread. Coarse thread, fine thread. No thread. So, and we're going to get a new thermostat gasket for it. The thermostat appears to be working fine. I should get some electrical tune-up components just to have on hand. Just to have on hand. I don't. What's in here is perfectly functional currently. I considered doing intake manifold gasket, but that's an awful lot of grief, and I don't think this is where my leak's coming from. I'm pretty sure it's valve covers. Just at how much was in these pockets, it was just, oh my God. I'm considering plugging up a couple of holes like this one and these two. Take the water pump off and plug up these 2 holes in this one. And plug up this one. And sandblasting this entire thing. Not really aggressively, just try to knock the big shit off. I don't know though. If you guys got any better ideas, maybe I'll just do some of that rust converter shit and try and get a little bit woe up on it. And I think I'm gonna take a little break and I'm gonna come back at it and put some of that super purple, highly caustic purple super clean over there. We'll spray some more of that on it because it definitely seems to soften up the goo. And we'll give her another hose down, and that's probably going to be a bit for it for a while. Tonight's supposed to go to rain tonight, all day tomorrow, all day Sunday, or tapering to showers on Sunday. Besides that, I've kind of depleted the funds for this fun. And so I guess that's just going to be kind of a quick update. It's going to be a while before I get after this thing again. I got to come up with the money for all them gaskets. And yeah, before the engine's ready to get loaded back in, I'd like to get this thing all spiffied up. Oh yeah, new motor mounts are happening. I didn't mention them, but yeah, I'll go round and round with this thing a couple more times, cleaning, pressure washing, trying to get myself, see how much of this shit I can blast back onto myself. That's always fun. But yeah, so please like, subscribe, click the little bell icon for a notification of when new videos post. Comment if you got something to say. Hey, hell, even if you don't, I kind of have fun talking back at you. But yeah, thanks for sticking with me, and we'll catch you next time. This has been Empty Pockets.